4, 3, 2, 1.
Hand me that.
Hey y'all, it's me, Charity, and
Alan Bow here. You may recognize me from the Alan Bow channel.
youtube.com/The Alan Bow. Also known as my husband. So we wanted to post this video today to give you guys an opportunity for an updated Q&A.
That's right.
It's been a long time since we did a Q&A and our life has changed a lot, so I figured maybe some of y'all would have some new questions and y'all would want some new updates on our life.
That's right. And what we want you... That's right. And what we... Stop it. Stop it.
I can't take you serious saying, and that's right. We did not plan on this.
Roll.
Okay.
And that's right. And what we want you all to do is go ahead and submit your questions down in the comment section below so that way we can answer them for you in a special video.
So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you think we're awesome, and yeah, like he said, leave your questions down below and then we're going to do a response video with all of the answers to your questions.
And we'll see all of you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. See you next time.
Be sure to check out my YouTube channel at the Alan Bow.
I'll put the link down below.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
I spy with my little eye.
But before this video ends, we wanted to show you this adorable shot of our little baby kitten bear sleeping underneath the blankets, looking so adorable.
Oh, she waved.
High five! Oh, she wanted to show off her toe beans. Okay. Ooh! Oh, yeah. Bye, girl.